In this video, we're going to look at how you can take data that someone has submitted through a form and have that appear in your LeadMachine account. To do this, we're going to use help.leadmachine.com. So if you go to help.leadmachine.com, you will see a full knowledge base full of help articles. We're going to follow the structure in this article here called Connecting Wufoo to Your LeadMachine account. And really, we're just going to go through this article. So the first step you'll see is it says, look, there are 3 parts and you will need to register an account with Wufoo. So that is the first step. Make sure you register an account with Wufoo. So here we are in our Wufoo account, and here we've got a list of all the different forms that we might decide to create. You can edit the form, and Wufoo is very nice in that it allows you to drag and drop all sorts of different things into your form. But for now, let's just go back to our forms. Yes, we don't want to save it. Fantastic. And we're now going to essentially what Wufoo also allows you to do is it gives you the code which you can use on your website. So over here, you can put this on Facebook, on all sorts of different pages. It's one line of code and off you go. Now, what we're going to do is we're just going to follow the instructions. So let's go to Forms, and it says here, click the code button beneath the name of the form you want to integrate. So let's do that. So we click the code button, and then it says, this will take you to the code manager where you want to click the API information button to access your API credentials. So we click on the API information, and this is the key we want. So specifically, it says on that page, there should be a 16-digit code, which is your unique API key. This key acts as a password to your data, so be sure to keep it private and never give it out. So after I've done this video, I will make sure I press the reset button. So moving forward, we are now saying, armed with this information, go to settings in your LeadMachine account, click Wufoo integration under the forms heading. So let's copy this information here. There we go, we're going to copy that. And we're now going to go to settings. And specifically, we're going to go to Wufoo integration, and our account name is LeadMachine, and here is our API key. So we're going to go update Wufoo configuration. Okay, Wufoo configuration updated successfully. All Wufoo definitions will need to be updated, but we haven't created one, so we're all good. Okay, so click Wufoo. So we've followed part 1. So we've done part 1. Fantastic. So in the next video, we'll move on to part 2.